In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change live speech voices in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load up, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see Accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I continue scrolling down through the list until I spot live speech. When I see it, I tap on live speech, and that takes me into the section where I can manage the feature and its options. Alright, now that I'm here on the live speech screen, I scroll toward the bottom where I can access the voices. Once I find the voices list, I tap on it, and that opens up the available options I can choose from. Now I go through and select the voice I want to change to. I tap on the one I prefer and the selection updates right away. I usually pause here for a moment just to make sure the voice shows as selected before moving on. After that, I begin backing out through the menus step by step, heading back toward the main screens, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open settings, go into accessibility, tap live speech, open the voices list again, and choose another option, and that's all there is to it. Yep, you've now seen how to change live speech voices on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and adjust whenever you need.